Are you looking for fresh and radiant skin? The secret of hidden beauty may be in the simplest things, like water vapor. Facial steam is an old new cosmetic treatment, of course, for its freshness. What are the benefits of using kits to clean the face? Deep pore cleansing. It evens skin tone, opens pores and softens blackheads and accumulated dirt, leading to cooperation and human integration. Black and whitehead removal. Steam helps break up black and white heads and facilitate the habit, which leads to the appearance of pimples and acne. Improve blood circulation. It increases blood flow to the face, stimulates the regeneration of small cells and stimulates the production of elastin, which leads to the production of skin elasticity from the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Moisturizes the skin. Although children may dry the skin at first, it helps to exfoliate the skin and facilitates moisturizers better, making the skin and moist. Elastic relaxation. Helps to relax the facial muscles and relieve tension, increasing the feeling of relaxation and recovery.